So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the Microsoft .NET Framework Repair Tool. And then once you run this, you're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. And then once that's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to tick the box, I accept. And then click on next again. Wait for this to load. And then click on next again. Wait for this to load. And then once we get to this stage where it says changes complete, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, however, then we're going to continue. So you're going to click on next. And then once it gets to this stage, see if that fixes the problem. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc space / scan now, and then click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.